Animal Planet at its finest. One bird eating chicken. And he just punked the shit out of this other bird. Oh, what's up? Fuck you, little nigga. See this shit? That's what I do to you. Wait, can you see the scraps? I said no, mother. What the fuck wrong with you? Get the fuck away from my chicken. I'm gonna fuck your little ass up. Keep fucking with me. Bitch, you don't think shit stink, huh? You don't think shit stink. Come over here. One more. You got one more damn time. All right, Cleophas. Yo, fuck that little nigga. Look, bitch. I said this is my chicken. You hear me? This is mine. Fuck you. I'll get my own chicken. I'm fucking this bitch up. This shit good as hell. This virgin crispy? This virgin recipe? Nah, this shit extra crispy, dog. Damn, this motherfucker good.